Welcome to Stunning Suganesh.
Democracy. What do you mean by democracy? Democracy is a system of government where power is held by people who either participate directly in decision making or elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. Key features of democracy: freedom of minority right, assembly, association, property rights, voting rights, citizenship, consent of the government, religion and speech. We will now know about the key features elaboratedly. Freedom of religion and speech. Any person has the rights to choose, practice, or change one's religion or belief system. Everyone has the rights to express oneself freely, voice opinions, share ideas, and engage in open dialogue. Freedom of property rights. Every person has the legal rights and protection granted to individuals or entities over their assets or resources. Freedom of association. Right for individuals to join or form groups and organizations without interference. Freedom of assembly. Right for individuals to gather and engage in peaceful demonstrations or meeting without undue interference. Freedom of minority right. The rights referring to the protection and preservation of the individual and collective rights of minority groups, ensuring equal treatment and non-discriminating in society. Freedom of voting rights. Rights of individuals to participate in the electoral process, cast their votes freely, and have their voice heard in the democratic government of the society. Freedom of citizenship. Rights granted to individuals as a citizen of a particular country, including the ability to participate in public affairs. Freedom of consent of the government. Right of individuals to voluntarily agree or disagree with government's action or policies. In this project, we have seen about features of democracy.
Subscribe to Stunning Suganesh. You'll never miss any new video from my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.